Hi, I'm Nolan Chambers, and for my Go See It project, I chose Dick's Sporting Goods. Dick's Sporting Goods is the largest U.S. sporting goods retailer and is listed in the Fortune 500. Their mission statement is to be the #1 sports and fitness retailer for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts through relentless improvement of everything that they do. Being such a big store, they have a lot of different types of inventory, such as athletic equipment, apparel, shoes, exercise equipment, outdoor gear. They have over 1,400 vendors that make up this inventory, such as Nike, Adidas, Titleist, GT Bikes, and the North Face. And the main reason why I chose this store for my project is that they're one of the main retailers that I still shop at, and I trust that they'll have what I need as far as athletic equipment goes. Dick's Sporting Goods was founded in 1948 by Richard Dick Stack in Binghamton, New York. They're now headquartered out of Coraopolis, Pennsylvania. There are over 730 Dick's Sporting Goods stores, but over 800 total with their Golf Galaxy and Field & Stream stores, with a total of 30,000 plus employees. They have 5 distribution centers throughout the U.S., each capable of servicing 200 stores. It is traded on the New York Stock Exchange with the ticker symbol of DKS, and as of July 23rd, their shares price was $103.92 per share. In 2020, Dick's Sporting Goods had a net inventory of $1.95 billion. That was down 11% from 2019. Big reason for that was COVID-19 and the fact that many stores weren't open as much, so they didn't need as much inventory on hand, as well as stores that closed due to the effects of COVID-19. Their inventory turnover ratio, which is cost of goods sold divided by average inventory, was 2.83. That's the number of times they would sell out of goods and need to replenish them in one time period. They use the perpetual inventory system to record and when inventory is purchased or sold in real time through computerized systems, as well as the retail inventory system, which helps them track sales at a store level individually and estimate the ending inventory for those stores. They use the last in, first out method for all of their inventory sales and purchases for all of their stores throughout the U.S. Now for the rest of the financial breakdown, they had a net sales number of $9.58 billion, which was up 9.9% from 2019. Their cost of goods sold was $6.53 billion, which was up from the years prior as well. Their net income was up 44% from 2019 to $5.31 million, and their total assets were up 15% to $7.75 billion. And as mentioned on the last slide, they had a value of $1.95 billion for their inventory. I was surprised to see a lot of these numbers go up by so much due to COVID-19, the fact that I would have expected them to make a lot less money, but their online sales increased by 100% and made up 30% of their net sales. So a lot of people were still shopping at the store and spending money that they were able to make, and that allowed them to increase their net sales and their net income and really not have that bad of a year compared to what was going on in the world. For their accounting policies and procedures related to inventory, they use the lower weighted average cost or market method to keep all inventory at market price. They perform physical counts throughout the year to account for shrinkage, which is accrued and estimated based on historical data, and all acquired inventory through acquisitions of new businesses is adjusted to fair value. Dick's Sporting Goods has a lot of different internal controls they use. Like most retailers, they have security cameras, anti-theft boxes, sensors on high-value items, and security alarms at their entrances. They also have the United Genetics security platform that they use, which has over 18,000 cameras between their 800 plus stores. Financial records are all checked multiple times, and they perform an independent audit of all of their internal controls at the end of every fiscal year to ensure that they're up to standard. That's all for my project, and I hope you've learned a lot about Dick's and their inventory compared to other companies. Thank you for listening.